This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about fry cups, specifically these Metlux French fry cups. We have first the stainless steel tapered satin finish cup. It's got a 3.5 inch diameter opening and it's 4.5 inches tall in the back. You can see it features that nice incline opening for a nice wide area there to access those yummy snacks. We also have the stainless steel hammered mirror finish. So you can see it's got that nice texture from that hammered finish and a nice, beautiful shine to it. It also features that wonderful incline opening, and it's a 3.5 inch diameter by a 3.5 inch height. We have the stainless steel short satin finish. You can see this one has a nice level opening there. It's 3.25 inches in diameter by 2 inches high for a nice squat little container to really display those fries in. And finally, we have the stainless steel hammered mirror finish. This one has the same diameter, 3.25 inches, and height 2 inches as the other short cup. And it also features that great hammered finish for some nice reflective qualities that gives you that just little bit of sparkle and kind of eye-catching effect. They're all made of premium stainless steel for a durable yet upscale presentation for your fries. So these are fantastic for a variety of different finger foods, potato wedges, mott sticks, fries, onion rings. And they feature these great wide openings. I especially love those with the inclined rim. They kind of remind you of a fry container, but they're all shiny and wonderful and sturdy. So they're just a great upscale way to present those fries that has that kind of little bit of nostalgic feel to it. They're corrosion resistant and dishwasher safe for an easy care item that makes them perfect for restaurants, food trucks, or for use at catered events.